Hi everyone, I am Hafiz Rahman, a chemistry teacher. So please don't mind the reflection of light on the board. In this session, we are going to explore the fundamental concept of chemistry, that is chemical bonding. So chemical bonding lies at the heart of chemistry that connects atoms to form molecule. Let's say example chlorine and chlorine. Or it connects ions to form compound sodium chloride. So what exactly is chemical bonding? So chemical bonding, that terms refers the force of attraction that holds atoms together in a stable arrangement. In the other way, we can say chemical bonding is the combination of various types of element or atom where each and every atom or element can exist in a stable arrangement. So now we need to understand why do atoms combine? Why do atoms combine? Or how do atoms combine together? If we see in our society, each and every person try to get stability. So different person, different ideology, the definition of stability also different. But in case of atom or elements or ions, that stability criteria, it means a decrease in the potential energy. So stability and potential energy, that is inversely proportional. Higher potential energy less stable, lower potential energy more stable. When we try to understand the answer of this question, why do atoms combine or how do atoms combine together, the answer is very simple, that is to get stability. But if you try to understand the exact meaning, definitely we have to go through chemical combination. It means combination of various atom or element. When two atoms, let's say A and B, two different atoms or we can say element, when they approach each other, that time two things can be happen. Either potential energy increases or potential energy decreases. Now we have to check when the potential energy increases or potential energy decreases. As you know, each and every element or atom, the central portion is called nucleus, that is positive charge, and outside, that is electron, negative charge. Another element also central, that is positive nucleus. Here nucleus, and another portion outside, that is electron negative charge. Now we have to understand, when two atoms approach each other, they basically try to combine. So here we can find, or we can observe, here nucleus and electron, force of attraction. Force of attraction here. Attraction. In between here also attraction. 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 But here nucleus to nucleus, repulsion. Electron to electron, also shown repulsion. It means when two atoms try to combine, two type of force can be shown. One, that will be attraction force, another will be repulsion force. If the attraction force, force of attraction is dominating factor, that time we can say definitely potential energy decreases. Or repulsion is dominating factor, that time potential energy should be increased. Now we have to check where the chemical bond will be happened. When the force of attraction is a dominating factor, it means potential energy decreases. It indicates it becomes stable, more stable. Potential energy decreases means getting more stable. So we can say there could possibility to form chemical bond. If the force of repulsion is dominating factor and potential energy increases, that time we can say there is no possibilities to form chemical bond. Now we have to understand what is exactly chemical bond. Chemical bond is a force of attraction. Let's say one example, that is water molecule. See here. Center, that yellow color, that is oxygen atom, and two red, that is, these are hydrogen atoms. So in between oxygen and hydrogen, one bond is there. Is this any physical bond? No. This indicates, represent force of attraction in between hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly here also. If we think about individually, just hydrogen, here hydrogen, only single hydrogen, another only single hydrogen, another only single oxygen. So there is no existence in this environment only single hydrogen atom or only single oxygen atom. But water molecule can exist. existence is there, it means definitely it is stable. That's why they can exist. In our environment, we can't find any single chlorine atom. There is no existence. But in our environment, if two chlorine atoms they combine each other, it means chemical bond happened here. They can exist as a Cl2, that chlorine gas. We can say any bonded atom or element is more stable and as compared to unbonded atom. And in the light of chemistry, it is observed that any single atom, individual atom, potential energy, if you calculate, and in the form of chlorine molecule, if you calculate the here potential energy also, definitely the potential energy is less in case of chlorine molecule as compared to individual chlorine atom. So these are the stability on the basis of energy. When you find the stability, there are so many criteria. These are basically experimental things. If we observe periodic table, that helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all are we know as a inert gas or noble gas. Why? These gases we considered as a inert gas or noble gases. Because in the environment, normal temperature and pressure, they do not show any type of chemical reaction at normal temperature and pressure. I'm not talking about a higher temperature or higher pressure. That is different thing. I'm talking about only normal temperature and normal pressure. Now we have to understand another thing. What is the connection between reactivity and stability or energy? Already we observed stability and energy that is inversely proportional. Stability and energy that is inversely proportional. So those elements are very stable. It means less reactive. So stability and reactivity that is also inversely proportional. More stable, less reactive. It means higher reactive, highly reactive elements are less stable. So that's why helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, all noble gases we call inert gases. They are very stable. Very stable means less reactive. Inert, that's why these are called inert gases. So if we observe the electronic configuration of inert gas, except helium, all inert gases, outermost electron, it means valence electron is 8. Number of valence electron, that is 8. In case of helium, that is 2. When any atom or element try to combine, definitely the target to fulfill the outermost electron 8, that is called octet. It means they try to achieve nearest noble gases electronic configuration, just like nearest noble gases electronic configuration. That is the purpose, to get stability. So we can summarize here what is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is basically force of attraction in between two atoms, or it may be ions, or sometimes we can see in between molecules also. So these are the basic introduction of chemical bonding. Thank you.